also.
Yeah, for Yajmana I tried in dubbing in Kannada. I think I enjoyed the experience. Was nice. Devi Shetty's character, and yeah, so I've done a lot of things. I'm trying to learn this language. I enjoy
Can you listen some dialogues?
some dialogues from Yajmana. I can. Udgarsha I cannot because for that people need to see the movie.
So Ejman and
Yajmana is just it, like there was I had two major scenes where I had the big monologues. So probably if I have to say, there was this scene where Darshan sir was standing with the cans alone in the rain, and I come out of the car and I say, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಯಾ ಫೋನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಜೋಶ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಂತುಗಳು ಓದ್ನದು ಈ ಜಾಗನೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಒಡ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕಣ ನೀನ ಈ ದೇವಿಯ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಮುಂಬೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಮುಂದೆ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೆ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಒಳಪ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ವೈ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ ಅಂದೇವ ಅದೇ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಕೈ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ತಲೆ ತಗ್ಸಿ and in front of everyone I am sorry Kero. So this was that big entire dialogue with a lot of and we enjoyed that. So I think it was easy to pick up the language for me. Yeah.
is there any changes after doing
Huh?
Is there any changes after doing Ejman movie?
Changes, yeah, in terms of fan following.
Career, fan following.
Career, of course, yes. Career, of course, yes. But fan base, mein, I have earned more fans from women, which is what also I am enjoying nowadays because chocolatey hero sunata, but have you heard chocolatey villain? So that's the tag I've got nowadays. So I think Cadbury's dialogue was very famous, no? So yes, in terms of fan base, I have earned a good fan base in Karnataka, in Bangalore. Especially, I could keep coming to Bangalore. I'm not going to Mysore and other places. I'm sure if I go there also, at the airports, I just need to remove my rubber band. Suddenly they change. Arey, this guy is coming on. So the feeling is very new and beautiful. Udgarsha now I'm doing. So I think let's see the response of what people think. Uh, I suit. If it suits, of course, I keep coming back again. Simple.
So do you getting any more offers by watching your Ejman movie? Like
Yeah. I was in Canada. I was in talks with the director Nand Kishore sir, and my Yajmana movie director also Ponu Kumar sir. We recently spoke. He also has a few scripts in mind. So nothing I've taken a call yet as such because I want to wait for the response of Udgarsha first before taking any calls. Then I will decide whether I want to continue playing villain or I want to continue playing a hero character because nowadays audience is very smart. In this Udgarsha movie, there is no specifically as such that it's a hero, it's a villain, it's a heroine. We are all playing characters in the film. Sunil sir's film subject is a very universal subject. It's a situation-based subject. In that situation, we are all, but the way we are presented, every character is a hero here. Even the Kishore sir also, if you see in the movie, you will feel he is also the hero. So the presentation is so good, it's so gripping that Darshan sir is a mass film. It's a complete Darshan sir's film. The fans are like go crazy for him. This is a different genre altogether, and I think I've got to be a part of both the genres. I'm very lucky.
okay, this is a third movie in Kannada.
In Canada, yes.
It's releasing of few years. So having any idea of doing a particular movie in Kannada
Any particular movie?
with someone or with some subject or with some character?
Yeah. Probably very new to Kannada industry, so I can't specifically say. But yes, I'd love to play a mass hero, basically, who can actually beat a lot of people because I am actually good with a lot of action, mixed martial arts, gymnastics. I want to showcase those skills of mine. For that, it's best if I come back as a hero again, and choose a very sensitive subject like a protection of the women and how or certain social subjects or intercaste things, so I could just relate to where audience can relate that this is an ordinary man who can actually do so many things if he's dedicated. Such kind of roles attract me very much. But in terms of stars, I would love to work with Puneet Rajkumarji. I've seen his work and he's very humble, most importantly. I've not met him, but I keep seeing his videos here and there where the kind of people commands he has. Sudeep sir again. Sudeep sir too I've met also once. And of course, Yash, now he's a live example that no matter which industry you belong to, if you're content and if you're dedicated as an actor, you are a pan-India star. So congratulations, Yash.
So can I know your Kannada teacher?
Self, Kannada teacher is self, nobody. I would just, in Udgarsha, my assistant director Gudi or Murli, they used to help me with the lines. So lines, what I used to do is in SMS language, I used to write the dialogue, the meaning of it in the English. So I would know what I'm trying to say. How to say zamana, jamana, all of that, no? So that people would tell me, of course. And then the thing is, I'm very good with picking up stuff. I can pick up your body language and I can act like you. You will not even understand, but people will understand. So that's a gift I've got.
Okay, have you watching kind of movies to learn Kannada likewise?
Now I will start watching. Utkarsha I've watched, Yajmana I've watched, plus I'm interacting with a lot of people. So I think I'm picking up the language. Uh, Earlier movies that I've seen was Parsha I saw, then Nishkarsha Vishnuvardha sirs. I had seen those movies. I didn't understand anything, but now I'm picking up everything. Swalpa swalpa, you can say that.
So you heard that you can sing a Ajma song too.
You heard, but I am not going to sing right now because I don't want, there's a lot of audience, but I've already sung it. I would want the audience to come on my Instagram handle, and yes, I will. But now I want to sing my own song for my own movie.
Yes, you can.
No, not right now. But I'll sing some other time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.